Now comes something that I have been totally passionate about ever since my childhood, which happens to be on the ramp. It
Wow.
gives me a kind of a gush that nothing
So
else
that
can.
was your dream, that you wanted to do modeling and do ramp walk and all that.
Yes,
Brilliant. So why not now?
well,
She's written it in such a beautiful way. She says, life is what happens to you when you're making other plans. So please keep your eyes and ears open and see the ride that you are on, because it's like a roller coaster with a lot of ups and downs. वो नीचे भी आता है, आप चिल्लाते हैं, आपको डर लगता है जब वो नीचे आ रहा होता है. But when it goes up, you're again shouting. But when you're on top, you feel relieved. You smile that you are on top and you don't have to go down again. But again, it continues the journey. That's what life is. Thank you so much, Kilabasi, for being over here.
thank you. Thank you so much.
So wonderful explanation. जो आपने बोला ना, life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. So how does one figure out कि I am in the plan of life? वो कैसे पता लगेगा? Because I think you can share that. Yeah.
Yes, life is what happens when we're busy making other plans. Totally resonates because everything that we do on a day-to-day basis, there are things that make us grumpy. There are other things that will just elevate us. A simple smile, for instance, right? If I'm walking past on my walk regime, which thanks to MIQS has started now. So if I'm on a regime and I look at a stranger, I don't mind just passing on a smile. And when I do, in reciprocation comes another smile.
Yeah.
And that's a wow moment for me.
That's a wow moment.
So these are the little things I'm talking about that we cannot just let go, and we should enjoy these as they come, because you never know when it's going to come again.
So what have you been doing so far? How has it been? What do you actually do?
Well, I am on a sabbatical at the moment, if you may say so, for the last 18 years. That's how old my daughter is.
Wow.
And now that she's all set to fly out, I have started freelancing into soft skills.
Wonderful.
I have edged up and built up on that. And now comes something that I have been totally passionate about ever since my childhood, which happens to be on the ramp. It
Wow.
gives me a kind of a gush that nothing else
So that
can.
was your dream, that you wanted to do modeling and do ramp walk and all that.
Yes.
Brilliant. So why not now?
Well, yeah, I am open to all the avenues possible now that my daughter is all set to fly, and I know I've done my bit there and brought her up into a very beautiful child, proud of her. And now I'm all set to live my own life.
Your own life too,
Yes.
definitely. How do you find the entire platform, the camaraderie among all the participants, and then what is your greatest learning from here at the moment?
Well, I'm still getting to know everyone, but whatever bit I've seen of them, we're all so similar in the way, we think and the way we are interacting with each other.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Everyone has this beautiful smile on, and it's not fake. It's all coming from within. It's like a
absolutely.
hi, and
Yeah.
so things like that. And the platform itself has brought about so much of energy, not today, not for the last 1 month, but ever since I had that finalist letter with me, the confirmation, ever since that day. This entire pageant has brought about so much that I myself didn't realize until now, 48 years down the line, that
Yeah.
I can even do this and push myself to do so much more, which would mean so much more to me overall. So I'm so grateful to this platform for doing this.
So the one question I'll come at the end of it: what do you think a queen of substance stands for, or what do you think substance is actually? What is substance when it comes to a woman? What is that substance to you? What does it mean?
Yes. So substance to me would mean what I can bring about from within in order to ensure that the other person that I meet or greet is also taking back and can give them a happy space to be in. You don't really anticipate, or you really don't know what the other person is going through. But with small gestures, right, the substance is there. With your small gestures, if you can make someone else's day so much better, why not?
Brilliant, brilliant. Substance is actually about making a difference in somebody else's life. That is what you mean to say. And
Yes.
so amazing. Definitely that coming from a woman is but natural, but the way you have spoken and the way you have said it shows how much you feel that part as well. And where do you see going yourself from this entire journey in the future? Where are you heading? What are the plans?
This, like I said, is a completely untrudged, scenario for me.
Back to the ramp, of course, apart from that.
Definitely back to the ramp as soon as I get a chance to. But yes, I would like to build up on my own brand, always remain associated with the brand, and be grateful for MIQS that has brought me
Absolutely. As a
here.
soft skills trainer, you will establish yourself far more better, and I think it will help you a lot in that domain.
Yes,
Yeah.
and the aim being, I really work with underprivileged children,
Wonderful.
and I want to see them coming up the ladder, not in a manner of monetarily doing things for them, but giving
Personality.
them, yeah, personality. So when they go out into the world, they know that they are not lagging behind in anything. It's their personality which I could help them develop
Ah.
and give them that confidence that you are no less than anyone else. So go out there and do your thing and make
Brilliant,
yourself
brilliant.
proud.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much. So let's have a round of applause for her. Thank you so much for being
Thank
over
you.
here. It was
Pleasure.
lovely speaking to you. A
Pleasure.
pleasure speaking to you. Hope to
Absolutely.
connect with you later. Thank you.
Absolutely.